My name's Oak Myers, and we're with Eastern Outdoors TV. And this is my buddy John Lewis, and we're here, like I said, on the New River, and he's with Last Chance Outfitters, and we're here for smallmouth, and you know, maybe what else might be in this water lurking for us today. So, John, if you could tell us a little bit about the water conditions and, you know, what we might be able to expect.
All righty. We're fishing pre-spawn. We're fishing primarily for smallmouth. They're getting ready to go on the beds. So, you know, we had a little hard rain yesterday and it's milked the water up. I don't think it'll really hurt us. By looking at the water, clarity is still pretty good. So we're going to be targeting along the banks for bedded smallmouth.
Right.
But we also have some big muskies here.
I've heard.
Last year we hooked on to 3 that were in the 42-inch range. And then just 10 days ago I caught a striper, 10 pounds. So we get a good mix.
Man, that's
back.
a bass right there now.
Oh, that's a hog.
No doubt.
So we'll be throwing some spinner baits since we got some color in the water.
Right.
Water temperature up here is about 53 degrees, so they're moving pretty good. So let's see what we can get pulled out of here.
All right.
That's a good fish. Ooh, up under the boat.
You got to watch him hooks.
Oh boy.
All right, brother. Way to go, man.
That's a New River smallet there.
Buddy, that's a fish now.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Got one hand on the trolling motor, one hand on the rod.
All right.
That right there is probably a good 2-pound smallmouth.
Yes, indeed.
Probably a male in here trying to feed up and get right on the bed. You'll guard them for a female after she lays them.
Well, buddy, if I had a guard, it'd be one like that. Look at the shoulders on that boy.
That's what I tell you. Largemouth will carry weight, shoulders back.
Exactly.
Smallmouth carry weight, shoulders forward.
Exactly.
Because it's like they lift weights. They fight
All
this
right.
current all the time.
Thank you, buddy.
That's it.
All right, man.
We'll see if we can't find his brother.
No doubt.
His girlfriend.
That's it. Cause she's a pig.
Yeah, she'll be the 4-pounder.
Your boy. I think you got me by that. Oh no!
Quick release.
Well, now I know mine's bigger than yours.
You know, Oak, I'm a real lucky man that I get to come out here and do this for a living. I spent 10 years in the mines, and you know, I kind of feel like I've paid my dues. I know everybody has to work a job, but you spend that many years underground in cold, dark, damp coal mines, and you come out here and do this, it can't be a bad day.
No.
Can't be. I try to tell myself, just like last time when y'all couldn't make it down here, you got sick, I said, in a worst case scenario, I got to fish today.
You get to go fishing.
I mean, how bad can that be?
If I can get it.
Somebody's working hard somewhere, and I'm fishing.
And it ain't me. Way to go.
Barely see in the back of his throat a crawl pincher antenna.
Right there it is. Yep.
They out there feeding.
Yeah, they are.
Maybe they get ready to turn on the
Yeah, he's not bad. It's 1.5 pounds there. He's not bad. Yeah, he's chunky.
Barely see another crawl.
Buddy, they're in there. They're in there. All right. Good job. Good job. Like me. That's a nice fish. Nice fish. Oh, come on now. Way to go, man.
Yeah.
That's what we're looking for right
That's
there.
it, buddy.
Good job.
at that.
Nice fish.
A few more feet of bank there. We'll see if we can.
Nice fish.
He was laying tight against that bank.
Yep.
Boys.
Oh!
That fish over. That's 6 pounds.
Well, buddy, I'll do my best. Oh my! Oh my! Oh my!
I've seen that boy before. He's just barrel hitting on his line.
Right now's when you need a net. Well, he ain't even ready.
Toad that he does not know. That ain't 6 pounds, less than an ounce. A lot of big small. That ain't a 6 pound.
All right, my man. Yeah. Woo. There you go. That's your fish. Look, can I get a picture of that? Way to go. Tremendous.
Going back over, honey. You deserve
it. Way to go, man.
You don't, if you're not here like me, I'm here April through October. So you imagine, you know, roughly 180 days.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a lot better. That's a lot better. Oh, jeez. Oh, whiz. John, that's a lot better fish there.
Right up against the bank. We've been catching some nice fish, right? That's a good little fish.
That's a good...
That's 2 pounds.
What do you mean that's a good little fish?
Well, I mean...
What are you trying to tell me? I'm fishing as hard as I can, and look what you're doing, man. You're killing me. You're killing me.
Hold on, let me, least I can do. Here, hold on. I got the...
Can you boat that for me there, sir?
Let me see if I can be a professional guy.
Yeah, brother. Now, don't be saying that now. You just told me it was a good little fish.
I didn't want you to get excited and look.
Buddy, I was excited when I set the hook on that dude.
Just like his face.
Ooh, baby.
Want to come in. It's this ugly face I've got, the beard and everything. I've got to shave and get my...
But let me tell you what, I am thoroughly convinced on this line. This fire line is the trick. Thank you, my man. Thank you. I'll tell you what, John, it has been a fine day, buddy.